Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, BoxyLuxe, and I'm here with another It's your girl, BoxyLuxe, and I'm here with another BoxyLuxe unboxing. So, about 2 or 3 days ago, I got this massive box in the mail. It's actually really big. It looks like a big shoebox. And to be honest, I forgot that I upgraded to the BoxyLuxe. And I really haven't been like adamantly or at all really looking to see what's going to be coming in the box. So I'm actually really excited. And it's been sitting there for about 3 days. And I have not let myself open it because I wanted to open it with you guys. So I'm just going to take my scissors and cut it open. And together we're going to be surprised. Whoa, this is really large. It's BoxyCharm All Access is the title of this month's BoxyLuxe. Don't even start. This is what it looks like. This is really heavy. And it has some big bubble wrap. And my dogs think it's okay to be playing. Like, they didn't want to play all evening. I sit down to film and all of a sudden we want to play. Check yourselves, guys. I can't even lie. I'm making like the ugliest faces ever. Guys, when I've been saying I wanted this the last time, I think it was in a BoxyLuxe. I wanted it so bad. I've been to Ulta multiple times looking for this product, and it's like they don't have it anymore. But I'm so excited because I just saw it in my box. I'm so excited, guys. The Park Avenue Princess. I've been wanting this so bad. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm going to open it right now. I mean, there's other things in this box, but honestly, this is... look how beautiful it is. You guys can't see it, but it's like really heavy and plated. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I think this is like worth $40 or $50. $45. And I got it. I even looked online on the Tarte website. They didn't have it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So pretty. And of course it smells so good. Okay. Okay, sis. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, Becky. Look at her butt. It is like so big. Yes. I'm so excited. Okay. The next item we got. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Violet Voss Essentials. I think I saw something. Only because I'm like, okay. So some eyeshadows. I don't think I've heard of this brand, so maybe it's an off-brand. You know, BoxyCharm does that. More. Why can't I pop these? Oh my gosh. really loud. Shut the front door. I got a curling iron. Clipless curling iron with cool tip. Is this a wand? Is this a freaking wand? There's so many things in here. Why am I so in love with this box? Oh my god. My last BoxyLuxe, I was not like, but bitch, I just got a whole fucking curling iron. And a whole Park Avenue Princess, $45. Ah. Okay, so this is a Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. This looks refreshing. I don't know if it's refreshing, but it looks refreshing. Let's see. Apparently, if you have nails, you're not... Ooh, that smells kind of like... It actually smells kind of cucumbery. Very cute. Guys, this is everything. I kind of opened it off camera because my camera stopped. But look at this. A whole wand. And it has like a 360 swivel. So I'm excited to try this out. All for the low price of, it came with my box. That's regular $65. The next item I got is a Dr. Brandt Recovery Sleeping Mask. I recently got, I'm like always getting some of their products, I feel. I recently got another one and I really like it. It's a face wash, so I'm excited to try this out. Maybe try it out tonight. The next item I got is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. Hydrating Hair Balm. Smells like coconut. Ooh, almost. Leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh hair down. You can have dry, coarse, frizzy hair, and you want smooth, soft, hydrated hair. How to get it? Apply to damp or dry hair. It says air dry or blowout. So I'm excited for this because Mama's weave always looking cracked out. The next two items, Hank and Henry. It's the Blackity Black eyeliner. I saw several people using this online. It's a felt tip liner. And then I got a Stila, a Stay All Day liquid lipstick. This is in the color Rubino. R-U-B-I-N-O. Ooh, that's a pretty color. For fall, gorgeous, gorgeous color. Alright guys, that's the end of my BoxyLuxe. I know it seems like I lost all the energy that I had because I was so excited and then my camera died, so I had to wait. So that excitement kind of like dwindled. But nonetheless, I'm excited. I'm excited to try the face mask, the wand. I'm also excited. Oh, this, what is this? I feel like this is a moisturizer. Yeah, moisturizer. Retails for $65, so I'm going to be trying that out. Sure, another eyeshadow palette. But I'm so excited for this. I'm so excited. Excited. Anyways, comment down below. What are your thoughts? Do you have BoxyCharm? What did you get in your box? Did we get the same box? Do you have the same feelings towards your box? Because I'm like in love. Freaking like cloud 9, bruh. Cloud 9. So I'm really excited. That's all I have to say. All right, I'll see y'all later. Bye. 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 Peace out, chicken grease. Bye.